1704 Spotted Wolf. Really cute desert landscaping, minimal maintenance, but a nice, appealing design. So tile as soon as you walk in. Off to the left you have your powder room. We have the 2.5 inch forward blinds. The walls are more orange, I'd say. Nice to have all the extra storage. That is quite a bit of storage. Maybe a little orange. Broken blinds, so maybe that whole set needs to be replaced. We have a doggy door here. So this would be the laundry, perhaps. Ceiling fan, if it works, that'd be great. Doggy door on the garage door as well. The tile, from what I've seen, appears to be good condition. Solid countertops. Large sink, gooseneck. Okay, let's head upstairs. And those are stickers, those words are stickers, so they can probably be peeled off. Carpet seems fine. So we have laminate up here in this loft. So we might need 2.5 inch forward blinds here, maybe there and there. We'll see what Jenny says. I'll go ahead and count them. So that's 3. She may say to remove these, so I'll go ahead and count these. 4, 5, 6. Baseboards need some touch up. This room might need some touch up. Yeah. This room might need to be repainted. 1, 2, 3, 6. Oh, okay. Large water heater. There's got to be a light around here somewhere. This house is interesting. It sort of feels like there's rooms off of rooms. So no grout or caulking required for this. 7. Shower. Less maintenance. That's great. Replace burnt out light bulbs, of course. And lots of storage. There's got to be there. I think this room may need to be repainted. I can just see some areas that could use some touch up, but that's a Jenny call. Like this could be cleaned up a bit. Yeah, I don't know if you can see on the camera, but looking this way, you see areas that could use some attention on the paint. So that was, I think, 7 windows upstairs that need blinds. Okay.